What separates the rich from the poor? Is it the habits they have, or is it just luck? This is the question we're going to explore today. You will learn the wealth secrets of how to get rich. We're going to unravel the 10 habits that can lead you on the path of wealth creation. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of the wealthy? Let's dive in. First, set financial goals. Do the rich become wealthy by accident? No, they plan for it. And so should you. We're talking about short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals here. Short-term goals might be saving up for a weekend getaway or paying off a credit card. Mid-term goals could be saving for a down payment on a house or building an emergency fund. And long-term, think retirement or even becoming a millionaire yourself. Each goal requires a different strategy, but all require commitment, discipline, and a clear plan. Think of it this way. You wouldn't set off on a journey without knowing your destination, would you? In the same vein, setting financial goals gives your money a purpose. It sets the course for your financial journey. So, start with the end in mind, craft a strategy, and stick to it. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Secondly, invest early and regularly. Have you ever heard of the term compounding? No? Well, let's dive into it, shall we? Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls down, it gathers more and more snow, growing bigger and faster. That's compounding for you, but in the financial world. When you invest, you earn returns on your money. Then, you earn returns on those returns, and so on. This creates a powerful snowball effect, multiplying your wealth over time. Let's say you invest $100 each month, starting at the age of 25. By the time you're 60, with an average return of 7% per year, you'd have accumulated over a whopping $200,000, and that's just from a small monthly investment. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So don't wait, time is money, so start investing now. Thirdly, educate yourself on finances. Do you think the rich stay rich by being ignorant about money? Absolutely not. They understand the power of financial literacy. It's like a secret language that, once mastered, opens up a world of opportunities for wealth creation. Let's break it down. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Now, you might be asking, where do I begin? Well, the internet is a treasure trove of resources. Websites like Investopedia, personal finance blogs, and even YouTube channels can provide a wealth of information. Books, too, are a fantastic resource. Classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Intelligent Investor have stood the test of time and continue to guide individuals on their financial journeys. Remember, the path to wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, and the journey begins with a single step: educating yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Next, live below your means. Does a flashy lifestyle equate to wealth? Well, not necessarily. There's a common misconception that wealth means an extravagant lifestyle with luxury cars and designer brands, but this is far from the truth. This is lifestyle inflation, where your expenditure increases as your income does, leaving you no better off than before. Instead, consider living below your means, a key habit of many self-made millionaires. This involves earning more than you spend and saving the difference. It's not about depriving yourself of enjoyment, but rather about making thoughtful decisions on how you spend your hard-earned money. By doing this, you can accumulate wealth over time without the constant pressure to maintain an inflated lifestyle. This approach provides financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to make choices that align with your values and passions, rather than your bank account. Remember, wealth is what you accumulate, not what you spend. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more tips to achieve financial freedom. Moving on, network and build relationships. Do you know the saying, your network is your net worth? This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a powerful truth in the world of wealth creation. The people you know, the connections you forge, they open doors to opportunities you might never have stumbled upon on your own. So, how do you build this network? Start by attending industry events, webinars or seminars. Connect with like-minded individuals on social media platforms. Don't shy away from reaching out to people you admire. Remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving too. Share your knowledge, offer assistance, be genuinely interested in what others have to say. Building relationships, on the other hand, is about nurturing these connections. Stay in touch, provide value, be reliable. A strong relationship is built on trust and mutual respect. In essence, Your net worth isn't just about the money in the bank. It's about the richness of your relationships. The richer your relationships, the richer you are. Next, seek multiple income streams. Do the rich rely on a single source of income? The answer is a resounding no. The wealthy understand the importance of diversifying their income. This doesn't just increase overall earnings, it also provides a safety net. If one stream dries up, others are still flowing. Let's take a look at some examples. There's active income, the earnings from your day job. Then there's passive income, like earnings from real estate rentals or dividends from investments. There's also portfolio income, which comes from selling investments at a profit. And don't forget about side hustles, everything from freelance work to selling handmade crafts online. Each of these streams contributes to your overall wealth and provide a buffer against financial shocks. They also give you the freedom to take calculated risks and explore new opportunities. So don't just rely on your 9-to-5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify your income. Now, understand taxes. Do the rich pay more taxes than they should? This isn't a trick question, but rather an invitation to comprehend the impact of taxes on your wealth journey. Taxes, whether we like it or not, are a significant part of our financial lives and can have a remarkable effect on our wealth accumulation. Understanding how taxes work is key to financial success. Why? Because it allows you to plan strategically and leverage tax laws to your benefit. For instance, tax-efficient investments and retirement plans can help minimize your tax liability and protect your wealth. Consider seeking advice from tax professionals or financial advisors. They can help you navigate complex tax laws and identify opportunities to reduce your tax burden. Remember, it's not about evading taxes. It's about understanding and utilizing the tax laws to your advantage. Don't fear taxes, understand them. Embrace this philosophy, and you'll find yourself one step closer to your financial goals. Moving forward, stay disciplined. Does wealth come to those who lack discipline? The answer is a resounding no. Discipline, my friends, is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's the invisible hand that guides your spending habits, investments, and financial decisions. Think of discipline as the unwavering captain of your financial ship. It keeps you on course, even when the waters are choppy and your goals seem far away. It's the ability to say no to immediate gratification for the sake of your larger financial goals. Discipline means sticking to your budget, even when there's a tempting sale. It's investing consistently, even when the market is down. Discipline is not just about restriction, it's about making informed, deliberate choices. It's the commitment to your financial education, to understanding where every penny goes and how it contributes to your wealth. In the journey to wealth, discipline is your compass, guiding you towards your destination one step at a time. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Next, give back. Do the rich keep all their wealth to themselves? Quite the contrary. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals are also some of the most generous. They understand that giving back is an essential part of wealth accumulation. It's not about diminishing one's own wealth, but rather about generating a cycle of positivity and abundance that benefits everyone involved. Take, for instance, the likes of Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, who have pledged to give away a significant portion of their wealth to charitable causes. By doing so, they're not just making an impact, but also paving the way for a richer, more fulfilling life. The act of giving back, however, extends beyond mere monetary contributions. It's about leveraging your resources, your knowledge, your time, and your network to create meaningful change. It's about recognizing that wealth is not a zero-sum game, but a tool for making the world a better place. Giving back is not just about making a donation, it's about making a difference. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. Do the rich focus on their failures or their successes? The key to wealth creation lies not only in the tangible actions you take, but also in the intangible realm of your mind. It's about cultivating an attitude of optimism and resilience, even when faced with setbacks. So how can you maintain a positive mindset? Start by celebrating your successes, no matter how small. This will boost your confidence and motivate you to take on bigger challenges. Next, learn to view failures not as the end, but as stepping stones to success. Remember, every millionaire has faced failures. It's how they choose to interpret and respond to these failures that sets them apart. Get into the habit of positive self-talk. Encourage yourself, believe in your abilities, and remind yourself of your goals and why you started. Finally, surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Your mindset determines your wealth. Stay positive. So, are you ready to start your journey to wealth? Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistent growth, not overnight success. It's about nurturing habits that foster wealth, not chasing quick riches. It's about laying a foundation for a financially secure future, not just accumulating wealth for the sake of it. Start your wealth creation journey today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Remember, the secret to getting ahead is getting started.